Matthew 24:7, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes in divers places. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he. December 28, 2012. A magnitude 5.5 earthquake struck Komandorskaya Ostrova, Russia region. The quake struck 56 miles deep into the earth. This occurring within days of Russia's deadly cold snap, which struck the nation with -60-degree catastrophic temperatures, killing over 200 people.